The Khasi Author Society, KAS, has reiterated its demand for Khasi to be recognized as an official language of Meghalaya. KAS President Dr. DRL Nonglait highlighted that a memorandum had been submitted to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and further discussions will take place after the District Council elections. He emphasized the state government's ability to amend the Meghalaya Language Act 2005 and criticized the use of English in government advisories, which he said alienates many. He stressed that official recognition of Khasi would encourage its study and enable government recruitment interviews in the language.
Submit a memorandum jangi, but nil alet delegation ka kanhun ka baklan ka society balik do Chief Minister la sisnam tamanta. Ti hagi tu por ni osno ba la sedang ban pan jingmut na department of health kuna arts and culture kuna ke education department tenrei kata kadang surong tang kaham saya haduk menta hi kampat dan kenu berota jubab na keleng jora sorka ting berkata ngin hapan leje kendo let's say hadian jo ketika election MDC ngin leje kendo yo Chief Minister na kemtaban penken mau bawon simno ik sinjam ki batikna ban penlong ye ketien Khasi kowe ni ki official languages apa jo kejala kembalong ke English kani ke issue ka subject ka bahapo jo kejala